Hey guys, Cam here from Pocket-lint, and I'm testing the new Sony A6600. It's an APS-C camera, which means it's more compact than a full-sized or full-frame camera or DSLR, but it's promising some pretty powerful specs. Among them is in-body stabilization, fantastic new lenses, 4K HDR video, and a lot more. Now I'm recording this on the camera and I'm using the internal microphone. There's no professional equipment here except this camera and my hand holding it. But we're going to go out and test this camera in Copenhagen. It's food festival time, so we're going to see how it performs.
So this is the new A6600, Sony's latest APS-C mirrorless camera that uses the same E-mount as most of its other cameras. Now I'm a pretty big fan of Sony's design here. I love the clean, flat edges, and the grip on the right is just about the right size to make carrying it around for hours easy and comfortable. The power and shutter button is well placed for easy reaching. Honestly, it was a joy to carry around. The magnesium alloy dust and moisture resistant chassis gives it a feeling of solidity too. Then there's that tiltable LCD screen, which is possibly one area that needs a rethink. It comes up right behind the top edge when fully rotated, and that means you'll block it from view with any shoe-mounted microphones or lights. For video makers, there's a good selection of ports on the left edge, including both headphone and microphone ports. But more importantly, on the inside it has 5-axis stabilization, which is great for handheld video. It shoots 4K up to 30 frames per second, but the thing that makes a massive difference when you're shooting both video and images is how quickly and accurately it autofocuses. It uses real-time tracking and even has eye tracking to ensure your main subject is always in focus. Now for the eye focus, you can switch between animal and human if you want to, so it can even find the eye on your pet and keep that in focus. And of course, there's also 425-point hybrid phase detection and contrast detection focus. And that results in an experience where the camera seems to focus and shoot in the blink of an eye. It's genuinely fantastic to use and is lightning quick. It just gets out of the way and lets you shoot what you want to shoot, and makes it look good. For smooth, slowed down footage, you can shoot up to 100 frames per second at full HD resolution too. Now we've only used it for a couple of hours in Copenhagen, but on our first try it certainly seems like a well-made, easy-to-use camera that produces fantastic results. It has the power and the capabilities of a much bigger, more expensive camera, but in this really small, lightweight, durable body. With the body-only price starting at £1,450 though, it's not exactly cheap. I've been Cam, and I'll see you again soon.